Hi, my name is Adam Bush, and I'm here at STEGO USA's headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. You know, addressing difficulties with our mission-critical applications, as well as being cost-effective, can be complicated. However, with STEGO Connect's Connect and Play functionality, it enables digitalization to be easy. You don't have to hire a team of experts. You have direct access to those mission-critical applications.
The STEGO Connect platform enables you to collect valuable data and monitor the functionality of connected devices at any time or any place, while at the same time allow designated staff to respond to events or alerts regardless of their location. IO-linked devices such as sensors and actuators, although located anywhere in the world, can be centrally configured and monitored and controlled by the STEGO Connect platform in a combination with edge computing.
Let's take a live look at the new STEGO Connect IIoT platform.
This is the dashboard. Here, you see 3 sensory inputs. Each of the inputs show temperature and relative humidity readings. This allows for easy monitoring directly and all in one place. Easily with one click on Devices, located on the sidebar, you can see graphs of temperature fluctuations with fully customizable timeframes of your mission-critical application. It makes it so easy to do. You can also click the individual icons that show the live relative humidity readings.
Not only can you monitor, but you can control and configure remotely from the office, or at home, or even on the work site.
Do you have any questions? Would you like to learn more? Our team here in Atlanta would look forward to discussing with you on how STEGO Connect can help you with your mission-critical applications.